it's Maggie, your programming librarian here, with another quick craft idea for you. You might have a lot of glasses, vessels, containers lying around that you're not really using. Maybe some candlestick holders. I definitely do. There's some really cute things you can do with them. So what I'm doing today, you can do one of two things with. You can either leave this empty to put a candle inside of it, or you can use this vase filler here, which is what I'm going to do. So first you'll just need some kind of container or glass. I got this at Dollar Tree a while ago. And decals to decorate it. This is to show you what I already put on because it does take a little bit of time. But these are some decals that I made with my silhouette machine. If you don't have one, you can certainly still use vinyl and just trace things on the back and cut them out. You can also print images off the computer on printable vinyl, clear labels, and put those on. Or you can just print an image on a piece of paper and stick it inside, tape it to your glass while you trace over the decal or design with puff paint. So that also gives it a nice effect. So this is what I chose to put on. It says hippity hoppity with a little bunny. And decal is on there. And what I'm going to do is use this vase filler, which also came from Dollar Tree. I do a lot of craft shopping at Dollar Tree. They do have a lot of good items and the price is good. But also it's right now, if I'm shopping for essential items there, I can also pick up a thing or two while I'm there. I purchased 2 bags because I wasn't sure how much was going to fit in here. And it looks like 2 bags was the right choice. So we'll open the second one here. You can put anything you want in here. I'm doing mine for Easter, so this is what I chose. I could have also put regular eggs in here, not real eggs, just you know, regular size eggs rather than the small filler. Interesting looking pom-poms, like different bright colors. I think that's good. So you've got your nice little vase here with a decal on it. And the other thing you can do, which is why I have this here, this is a candlestick holder I picked up a while ago. I got it on clearance somewhere. And I'm not going to put it together for real right now because I still haven't decided if I want to paint it. I might paint it white with my chalk paint. I still cannot decide. So if you want, you can paint your candlestick any color you like. And then once it is dry, of course, use your hot glue gun or E6000 if you have that, and you just glue it right to the top. And that is what it looks like finished. It just makes a really pretty decoration for your table. And I actually, since I have not glued this yet, I do have a few more of these little egg decals that I cut out. So I'm gonna put a few more decals on here just to spruce it up a little bit. This is an example of me going into my craft stash and using things I had already because I have been absolutely dying to use this this vinyl. It's just so pretty. It's a holographic. So it looks all different colors in different light. It's just really pretty, and I have had no idea what I was actually going to do with it. So I'm glad I had this idea for this project. Now I'll actually get to use it. So there's a few eggs on there. I'm going to put this one back, and we'll put some little ones as well. And like I said, you can use any kind of stickers you want. You can use rub-on decals. You can use just regular stickers. You can use puff paint. You can probably use a Sharpie as well. It's just not gonna hold up with washing. So if you think you're gonna be washing this a lot, depending on what you're gonna use it for, I wouldn't recommend it, even though it is permanent. So yeah, there you have our little glass. And I think I will actually paint this white when I'm finished here. So I hope you enjoyed this craft. And if you decide to do one or do something like it, definitely post below and show us how it came out. Hope you're all having a great day.